Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's quickly see what happened yesterday, then we prepare some setups for today. So the plan yesterday was to long VWAP. The market opened in US right here on this candle. We quickly went down. We got some panic. The VWAP is not to the dollar, but as I said yesterday, it's okay. We're gonna get some panic. And I was longing from the moment it touched VWAP. My stop loss was below this daily. We got kind of a W formation with a back test of VWAP and we are flying. So that they closed very bearish on Tuesday. So people are expecting that cat bounce. And now I see on Twitter, on Telegram, nobody's actually speaking about this pump. It feels like it was kind of unexpected. Okay, so the projection was 37 to 30. I was planning to recover this. All this moved down with my long. And we did that, and we did even more. I didn't even take profits here on the box because the market structure never changed. I was waiting for a rejection here. The golden pocket, it started rejecting, and then we break out. If we would take the low again, I would close around here, but I didn't close. Then the markets closed right here. I gave it some time to take the highs, which were taken, and another rejection right here. This time it took the low quite easily. So this is where I closed my shorts, my longs I mean, sorry. You don't need to catch the high, you better wait until the move reverses. Yeah, so I closed my longs here and went to sleep. So let's see what we have today. What was the plan? Yesterday was really good for me. How much was it? It's like 4% move up and it was 3% to my take profit. 1000 move traded, 1500 move total from this VWAP to the high. We missed the daily and we missed the overall highs, which I'm still expecting to take. This pump was kind of unexpected. Nobody talking about this now. They don't know what to do. They probably missed some longs here. And now, what do we expect now? As usual, we would expect another rotation down, probably, because it's never more likely that the price will break out. What are people thinking? I'm assuming that people are looking to long backtest, some kind of backtest. Let's get rid of this. Do I need this? Yeah, I do. Daily level reclaimed. So for me, it's similar situation like we had right here. If we do get a backtest, we give opportunity to long, and it doesn't turn out well because everyone who longed gets stopped out. Everyone who longed here gets stopped out. And now it seems like people missed this opportunity. Now they're waiting for backtest, and it's same situation. As long as we are holding this, we have an opportunity to break out. If we start doing some backtest, I don't like it anymore. We could break out with a backtest, of course. We could do it by the book, trading 101. How do you trade? How market moves? Yeah, we can do backtest and then we can break out. But for me personally, trading Bitcoin, this is not an opportunity. I'm assuming that if it rolls over, we're going all the way down to take this low, which is gonna be my first projection. But this is only if we roll over. This I might be interested in a scalp if we do some kind of W formation. Like let's say today is we take the low, we go up, we take the low, we go up, we take the low, we go up. I might long this because this is like kind of a bull flag. Every time price attempts to take a low, it fails to break down because this is supposed to be easy. All these single prints. Fast move up, fast move down. This is supposed to be easy way down. Okay, yeah, so if it's not easy way down, if price is struggling to move up, move down, then probably it's reversing. That's my first thought. Let's see how the daily candle looks like. Whoops. So it's fully recovered. People would usually expect a kind of dead cat bounce and then roll over. But we went against the book, against trading basics, because this is Bitcoin. Okay, so the highs gonna be taken probably. This bounce looks good. There is no reason to not take the highs today. We are still looking up. Price is holding, no reason to not go up. How the weekly looks like. People should be longing now, because we get a wick. It's like every week price tests the bearish side and tests the bullish side. This wick is the bearish side already tested. Tested, it's done deal, that's it, it's finished. Now we test the upside. We did test the upside a little bit, but we didn't take the highs. If you see how the candles look like, the upside should be much easier to break than the downside. Yeah, every week, every day works the same as well. You test the downside, you test the upside, and then maybe you test again. And the biggest sentiment change points are the daily open, and I need to move this. Daily open and weekly open. The biggest sentiment changes happen there. And this is gonna be a new daily. Do I need this daily? Yeah, my chart looks a bit cluttered. Another observation. What happened today? Downtrending triangle. Another observation. Weave up. We kind of tried to trend down. The weave up rejected and it failed to take the low, which is interesting. We are not giving opportunity to enter even the fake out traders. Not smart money concepts, not trading 101, nothing. This would be so good if we just go up now. I'm not gonna long because this is too risky. We can do fake out, like this as well, and we can do backtest or we can roll over. There is too much that can happen. My plan is gonna be probably, wait, let's see how it looks like. A golden pocket here. Okay, so what I'm thinking, where do people put stop loss if they short all this? They put stop loss 38,001 probably. Again, where they put the stop loss 38k everywhere. This again 38k. This, where is your stop loss? 38k. So my projection gonna be that we're gonna take 38k and probably the last high. And what's gonna happen there? We should get some reaction. It's gonna be slightly unpredictable, but I might try and predict that we're gonna go higher. This is gonna be failed auction or swing failure. These are tradable shorts, probably just for a backtest. We will never know if this move is gonna go down like this or if this move is gonna do this. These are exactly the same. the rejections. You will not see any difference. The question is if the support is gonna be here or not. We need to rely on the bigger guys to provide the support. If it's not there, then it's not there. Go down then. Yeah, so I am expecting highs to be taken. No back tests, which is perfect. No swing failure here, which is perfect. Don't give anyone opportunity to long. Just go up. And then everyone will stay quiet and they don't know what happened. Let's quickly see what's happening on Atas. This move down, heavily shorted yesterday in the evening. So I am definitely projecting to take the high again. Yeah, backtest would be nice to fill some imbalances, but for me, like, we go up or we completely roll over. These are only for scalps. Yeah, backtest gonna bounce. Yes, it's gonna bounce the point of control of yesterday. It's gonna bounce 36,550. On the left, we see imbalances. Yes, people long this. Yes, people long this. But as I see, it's probably like at some point the long's gonna win, but they try to long here, all the way up. They try to long all the time, but they can't because they're getting stopped out. Here again, the longs are present, but if you see how the move up was on very low increase on this CBD, and when it goes down deep. That means people prefer shorting, people prefer selling, sell. There was not that much buying here, just in the beginning and a little bit on the breakout. So there was some buying. It makes sense to recover and to stop them out. I'm thinking we're gonna do this later probably, once we break out and then come back to sweep them. Okay, 36. Yeah, so usually how I trade, I would expect another rotation down, but how it's gonna look like when it breaks out, this is how it's gonna look like. No opportunity to buy here, no opportunity to buy. This is how it's gonna look like when it breaks out. So for now we are looking up. For me, opportunity here on the backtest, which is gonna be only scalp. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna take this, only scalp. I don't expect big breakout. You enter, the moment you see it's reversing, you exit. That's it. Here, this could be a bit better because this is kind of like the lows. Here as well, this was the lows. This could get a full rotation back up. And this is basically a place where people expect a bounce. This is a place where people will say, it's over, that's it, we are done. So it could be a good opportunity to buy. And this is where it's really over. Now it's really over. And that's why this is the best place to buy, because the majority is gonna think now it's really over. That's it. Maybe we even flip short now, not even try to long. This is best place. And obviously we have deeper levels. We cannot lose this POC. Our bull market is over. I'm expecting highs to be taken anyway. So I don't see where I'm gonna long. There's probably no long for me. In case we break out, because it's looking up, but I cannot long. Where I'm gonna put the stop loss here? Everyone put the stop loss here. I don't want to be with everyone here. Yeah, okay, so short swing failure, higher prices wait for some consolidation, take the high and then down, easy trade. For longs, 1, 2, 3. 3 opportunities. Have a good Thursday and try to survive this madness. Have fun and see you tomorrow.